Hey guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make sure your Windows 11 PC is up to date. So simple, go ahead and click the Windows key on your keyboard and you want to type in settings. Right, once you click on settings, you want to go ahead and look for Windows Update on the left side and you click on that. To make sure that your computer is up to date, you want to go ahead and click and check for update right here. This is going to check for any updates that are available for your computer. And if it does find any, it will show and you'll be able to see them start to update right here. And so that's pretty much all that you have to do. You just want to wait, ensure that you have active internet connection on your PC right here. And once your PC internet connection is good, then you just need to be patient right here and just have it. And as you can see right here, it's checking for some update on your phone, a basic update that I need to have on my PC, security intelligence update for Microsoft Defender antivirus. And right here, you can see it updated and it basically installed and completed my PC. So that's it. That's how you can make sure that your computer is up to date on your Windows 11 PC.